Next, I'll demonstrate the bullion stitch. Let's start with this one. Using 6 strands of color number 1. Bring needle up at top. Take it down at center. Bring needle up vertically. Push needle up a bit longer. This makes wrapping easier. Then wrap thread around needle. If wrapping this way is difficult, hold needle with left hand. Makes wrapping easier. Use fingers to push wraps down. To clearly see wrap length, wrap slightly longer than pattern line. Then hold wrapped section. Pull thread up. Don't pull too quickly. To prevent wraps shifting, adjust direction. Take it down here. Let me show again. Come up here. Take down at center. Bring needle up vertically. Come up close to previous entry point. Then take thread. Wrap around needle. Wrap slightly longer than line. Pull needle up. Hold wrapped coils. Following line direction, adjust it. Arrange wrapped coils. Make them lie flat. Take down at center again. One more time. Wrap thread around needle. Pull thread. Adjust coil direction. Take down at center. Following these steps, complete the remaining pattern. Ensure even stitches. Avoid too loose or too tight wrapping, which would affect appearance. Let's look at the result. Now use 6 strands of color number 5 for right pattern. Bring it up. Following this method, complete the remaining pattern. The bullion stitch creates a raised dimensional effect, perfect for decorative accents or flower embroidery, creating nice dimensional effects. Final stitch down. Let's look at the result.